morning, 4th grade. This is a video that's going to be going over additive angles. And for those of you in Miss Custer's class, you're going to come here to April 17th. And then what will pop up on your screen is, you want to make sure you log in so Miss Custer knows you're here. Page 321 is in this PDF, and then you're going to go ahead and answer them in this Google Forms. You also have this practice of the additive angles Google slide, like a PowerPoint. And then I'm just going to go over a couple of ways to answer these questions. So let's come over here to the whiteboard. So let's go over angles, right? So a right angle is equal to 90 degrees, okay? Acute angles are less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees. And then when you have a straight line, that means that is 180 degrees. Okay, so let's get started. Whenever we're doing additive angles, it means we're going to be doing, addition and subtraction. So one of the resources that I want you to have ready is your hundreds chart, because that's going to be your best friend. So let's bring that in here. If you don't have one in your green folder, or if your green folder did not get sent home, then you do have, I did put up a hundreds chart in our Google Classroom. I'll show you how to do that. So we're in Mr. Vino 4th grade. We come to classwork, class drive folder, math resources, and then, okay, well actually let me upload it because it's not in here for some reason. So I'm going to upload it. It's going to be called, oh, no, we're not doing a new folder, it's a new file. And that one's going to be called hundreds chart, okay? Open it, so you're going to find that here in the Google Drive. Okay, so now you know where it's at. So let's come back to the math board. Okay, so here is our hundreds chart. We're going to move it down here when we start using it. Okay, so let's start with number 1. What kind of angle is this? And usually when you have an angle, this angle, you're always going to have that little square there. And what does that little square tell us? It tells us that the whole angle altogether, right, all of this right here is equal to 90 degrees, okay? So both this angle right here and this one right here need to equal 90 degrees. Now, how do we find this missing angle? How do we find it? One way you're doing this is you're subtracting, right? You're going to subtract the two numbers that you're given, right? Because if this whole thing equals 90 degrees, then you would subtract this number, the 20 degrees from this acute angle, from 90, and it should give you this angle right here, because then these two angles equal 90 degrees, right? So your equation is 90 minus 20. Okay, so using our hundreds chart, let's look at it. We are at 90, okay, so you can make a mark on 90, okay, and then we need to subtract 20. So let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, so our answer was 70. So coming back here, 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, 70 degrees. That was our missing angle. Now we know that this angle is acute, right? So does it make sense for it to be 70 degrees? Yes, because acute angles are less than 90. One way to check your answer is to add these two angles. Sorry, my whiteboard went crazy. Okay, so one way to check it is to add these two angles, right? So we got 70 plus 20. And what do these numbers need to equal? 90, right? Because the whole thing is a right angle. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 2 is 90 degrees. Okay, so that missing angle was 70. Okay, moving on to number 2. So let's look at it. We have a straight line. What did we say a straight line was equal to? Come back here to our notes. Straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so that straight line is 180 degrees. It's important to remember that. We are trying to find this missing angle right here. What could that possibly be? How do we find that? Who can tell me? By subtracting the 50. Okay, we're subtracting this angle in order to find this angle. Okay, we're subtracting that from 180 as a whole, right? Because we know a straight line is 180 degrees. Then we subtract 50. Okay, and what kind of angle should we be getting? Okay, what kind of angle do we see here? Is it acute? Is it right? Is it obtuse? What does it look like to you? I'm going to go ahead and say it's an obtuse angle, right? It's obtuse because if it was a right angle, we'd have a straight line going up, but it's greater than a right angle. So we need to get a number that's greater than what? A number that's greater than 90 degrees is obtuse, okay? So 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 5, okay, we come here to 8, subtract 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, our answer was 3. Then 1 minus 0, there's nothing there, bring down your 1. So this angle was equal to 130 degrees. Okay. So does 130 degrees fit an obtuse angle? Yes, right, because obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees. Let's check our answer. 130 plus 50 should be 180, right? That's the answer we're looking for, because we're looking for this angle right here, that straight line. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5, you start at 3, count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and then 1, 180, okay? So this was our missing angle. Okay, moving on to number 3. We are trying to find, let's put it in a different color, this angle right here, this blue angle right here, okay? We know that it's telling us that this whole angle, right, this whole, I'm going to go over it in black so you could see it. This whole angle right here is 125, okay? Then we see that this angle right here is 15 degrees, and we need to find this angle, okay? What kind of angle are we looking at? Is it obtuse? Is it acute? Or is it a right angle? Okay, It's not really a right angle, it's a little more, so we're looking at an obtuse angle, okay? So we know we have 125, and in order to find that missing angle, we're going to use the number that they gave us, 15. Are we adding or subtracting? We're going to subtract, okay? So 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 1, start at 2, go over 1, is 1. And then 1 minus 0 is 1. So it looks like this missing angle is equal to 110, okay? 110 degrees. Now let's look. Let's check our answer. So our two numbers of the angles inside should equal the number of the whole angle, which should be 125. Okay? So 0 plus 5 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 1 plus 0 is 1, 125 degrees, okay? So our missing angle was 110 degrees. Now remember, these were kind of what we call pretty numbers, right? The numbers weren't that hard for you to work with. But if you do get numbers that are hard for you to work with, use your hundreds chart, okay? These are going to help you with your addition and subtraction calculations, okay? So, if you need any further help, let me know, and good luck.